Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be something really different and really special for you guys who want your doll to look more beautiful by making her hair. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first of all, I've taken this doll and it's not handmade. So I've taken this plastic bag. As you can see, I've taken the bottom part of it. Now what I'll do is that I'll cut this part from half, and once that is done, I'll cut the sides too. So now this is what I get. I'll just stick it on her head this way. Then I'll take a rubber band and just tie it around her neck so that this plastic bag stays in its place. Now I'll take this white tissue paper and I'll cut a part from this. Now I'll just put some white glue and I'll start applying it onto the plastic bag which is on her head. So this is how I'll make a wig cap for her. Now I'll stick this tissue paper piece on the head. Now I'll just use the second layer of white glue and apply it onto this part. Now again I'll stick the second layer of tissue paper. And then again white glue. Now I'll just dry it using a blow dryer. Now once that is done, I'll take my marker and mark the head over here. After doing that, I'll take out the rubber band and I'll take this part out as well. So now once I get the shape of her head, I'll just cut out the axis according to the lines I've made. Once I get this cap, as you can see, this is how it looks and it fits her head perfectly. So now let's start making the hairs. So for this I've taken this plastic bag and it's kind of a fabric bag, if you know what I mean. I'll just cut this part out and then cut thin slices out of it. So you can take the measurement of your doll and see how long you want your hairs to look. I want it to be medium, so for that length I'm going over here and I'll just cutting out these slices. Thin stripes, I'll just cut them out and it will look something like this when I open it. So as you can see, I've got a lot of thin stripes over here. Now I'll make a quite lot of them, as you can see, the same way. So guys, as you all know that I make doll hairs for my dolls with silk thread. But since a lot of you guys were requesting me to show a nice and easy alternative for that, so this is what I came up with. It's completely easy and yet very affordable. If you guys have plastic bag at your home, you can definitely make your own doll hairs. Otherwise, if you want to see how I make my handmade doll hairs with silk thread, you can go and check all other tutorials on my channel. It's all there. So now I'll just stick these on top of each other on the head. So now once this is done, what I'll do is that I'll highlight it from the head, from the top half of the head, and go a little darker. So for that I'm using this Sharpie. So I'll make the roots little darker. Now as you can see, this is easily available and this can easily come out. Now let's make bangs also. For that I'll just cut this in part again and make it small and stick it inside. So this is how your doll hair wig, basically a doll wig, is ready, guys. And this is very easy. You can make it at your home and give your doll different various hairstyles. So you can trim it and you can make it more aesthetic using some hairstyles and all. So guys, this is it. This is the full look of my doll. So these hairs also looks really beautiful, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down.